welcome back to my channel. My name is Talia for those of you who may be new here, and I mostly post beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content on my channel. I am very excited about today's video. So as you already know from the title of this video, I won a YouTube giveaway from one of my favorite YouTubers, WYERS, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing for today's video. If you're not familiar with Jackie's videos, she posts a lot of hair and makeup tutorials as well as celebrity, TV, and movie character transformations, and she's absolutely talented. I have been subscribed to Jackie for a couple of years now, and I always enjoy watching her videos. I'll be sure to link her channel down below in the description box for you guys so you can check out her amazing tutorials and be sure to subscribe to her channel. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So I opened up the package and the first thing I see is a little card here that says my name, Talia, with a heart next to it. So cute. Aww. And a little card that says thank you. There's a vase with some roses in it, and it reads, Talia, thank you for entering my makeup giveaway. I hope you enjoy these products and keep on being the beautiful and kind girly girl you are. Lots of love, WYERS. Oh, that is so sweet. Thank you so much, Jackie. I just love handwritten notes like this. I think it adds a nice personal touch to this giveaway, and I just love this so much. Thank you so much, Jackie. Alright, so moving along to what is inside of the package, we have some pretty pink glittery tissue paper here, my favorite color, as you can see. And we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what is inside. I know she said she added a couple of extra goodies, so oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is stunning. Wow, look at this little makeup bag by Benefit, and it looks so much like a mermaid tail. That's insane. I love that. It's such a beautiful color. Ah! Alright, let's open inside, and they have rose gold detailing on the hardware too. That's just beautiful. So I see some little goodies in here, and this is all by the Benefit Beauty Company. So the first thing I see here is the Professional Pore Primer. I've heard a lot of great things about this. I'm so excited to try that. And then we have a little mini mascara, Benefit. They're real. This is actually one of my favorite mascaras. I've used it before. I ran out. I'm currently using a Too Faced mascara, but I love this mascara, so I'm so excited to have one of these again. And oh my goodness, I haven't had this in years. This is a highlighter called What's Up, and I got this like in a sample size when I shopped at Sephora a few years ago, and I loved using this. It gave me a very nice glowy highlight, so I'm very excited about this one as well. And then we have here a little box. This is a California blush. It says sweep this golden pink blush onto cheeks. It's part sun, part fun. The packaging is so cute on this little product. So here is what the blush looks like. Oh my goodness, that is a gorgeous color. It's like a pinky orange color, perfect for those spring and summer months. Oh wow, that's beautiful. I'm very excited to use this. Wow, I'm just loving all of the products in this little Benefit bag. So pretty, and I cannot get over this bag. It's so beautiful. Getting major mermaid vibes with this bag. I love it. Alright, let's see what else we have in here. Ooh! Okay, so we have here a Revlon Natural Jade Stone Facial Roller. I do not own one of these, but I see a lot of YouTubers using these before they put their makeup on. And this is a Cool and Deep Puff. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to use this because, again, I've heard a lot of great things about using one of these before putting your makeup on. And I think I heard too you can like pop this in the fridge so it gives it a nice cooling effect on your skin. So I'm very excited to use this. Oh, thank you! Okay, and then I know what this is because this was part of the giveaway that I entered. And this is a Naked Cherry palette by Urban Decay. And I've been wanting this palette for so long, you guys. You have no idea. And the colors in this are so stunning. I am very, very excited to have this. And probably going to do a makeup tutorial with this. Just look at the packaging. It's gorgeous. Deep red pinkish color. And oh my goodness. Look how stunning this makeup palette is. It has a lot of pretty pinks and red neutral colors. I see shimmers in there as well. And I'm just very excited to add this to my Naked collection. I have a few other Naked palettes by Urban Decay and they work wonderful. So I'm very excited to have this a part of my collection as well. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. It's beautiful. Alrighty, and then we have one more in here. Oh, cute. Look at the little stickers. That's precious. Alrighty, so we have some more goodies in here. And the first thing I'm spotting is some skincare. And this is by the brand called The Daily. I have a facial moisturizer and an eye cream. I've never tried this brand before, but I heard Jackie say that this is the sister company to ColourPop, which is awesome because I've used ColourPop products before and I love it. So I'm excited to try their skincare, especially the eye cream because I've never used an eye cream before. But I love the packaging. It's such a cute nude pinky color. And let's see here, we have a blush by ColourPop, and this is a pressed powder blush. And the color is, let me see, I think it's on the inside. The color is Catch My Vibe. Ooh, the packaging is so pretty. Look at that. It's a light pink, almost like a nude pink, lavender pinkish color with flowers on it. Ooh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Ooh, I love that. And I needed more blushes in my makeup collection because I don't really have a lot. And I just love that pink color. It's gorgeous. I love the packaging. It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm getting a lot of little glitter specks on my hand here. That's funny. And let's see, I have a lipstick here from NARS. And this one is in the color Fast Lane. Ooh. That is stunning. Look at that. This is like a nice mauve pink color. I just love having pink lips. Whenever I put lipstick on, I'm always gravitating towards the pink color. And the packaging is so pretty. It's a rose gold color. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to use this. Alright, let's see. We have one more product in here, and it is a Revlon Super Lustrous The Gloss. This is by Ashley Graham, part of her collection, and the color is Flourish. I'm already loving the packaging and the color. Ooh, I like that. It's a nice nude pink color. I'm excited to use that, and the packaging is so cute with the glitter on it. Alrighty everyone, and that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching me unbox my giveaway package. I'm so very thankful to Jackie for sending me these makeup products, and I cannot wait to check them out. Once again, if you haven't checked out her channel, I'm going to link it down below for you guys. You will be blown away by her transformation videos. They will not disappoint. So make sure you go check her out and subscribe to her channel. And if you would like to see more trendy videos from me, then don't forget to click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!